Hello, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I have a Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal flip through to do for you. This is Nikki's journal, and it came to me from Kimberly Wittes, or Kim Wittes. That's how she goes in the group. And so we'll just do a flip through. I haven't done anything in it yet. I'll do a separate video for that, but we've got the sign-in sheet, who had it when. April and May seem to be skipped over. Must have been a bit of a delay there with somebody. And so I'll have to sign in, but I'm going to do that later. So we have our usual assorted letters spelling out Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal. We've got a little envelope glued in that says open. Let's see what it says. Welcome to my journal. Page 1 is about me. Page 2 and 3, enter your name on the map where you live and add a sticker or doodle something that represents it. Page 4 and 5 is a graffiti wall. Have fun adding some stickers. Page 6 and 7 is a stationery swap. Take something, leave something. Page 8 is jot down the name of a favorite book, then junk journal some pages and add a note about you, Nikki. So it's kind of nice to have a bit of a description of how you envision the book working when you send it off. So this is Nikki's About Me page, and so she's got a little note about herself. Oh, she said she made it with her mini cinch, so it gets too thick, pages can be torn out. And we've got the map where you add your name and where you live. So I think I'll use a brad for that. Good idea. Oh, I might not be able to because it would wreck this page, the graffiti wall. Unless I put my sticker over the brad, I could do that. I like the graffiti wall with the brick. That's a cool idea. And then we've got stationery swap. So little journaling cards and stuff. I love this paper. And then Goodreads. So you write down books that you like. Who put Clan of the Cave Bear? That's one of my favorites. Love, love, love that series. I've read it several times. I'm about due to read it again. Bits and Pieces, take some and leave some. And this washi tape is coming loose. I may glue it. Even just add some glue stick. That's not permanent either. And this is a pretty page. This is Carla Bryce. I love this. Love, love. I love blues and aquas, so of course I love this. What we got here? Little tag with a journaling spot and cluster. Oh, this is separate. An altered playing card. Montana's. Always on the lookout for those because they have the wood grain background. You can cover the deer with florals. It looks really neat. Who's this? Sharon. Purple. Everyone loves purple. Make a comment below if you don't love purple. I'd love to hear. Everyone seems to love it. And there's not a lot of good purple stuff to use. This is the little paper bag thing I've been wanting to try. This little thing that has storage. You can decorate the bottom of the bag, but you can also just store little journaling cards inside there. And Kim Wittes, she left me a little note on the front of the box saying, can you find my oops? She thought she was working in 2 different journals, and she ended up making 2 pages about her. She thought she was working in a different journal. So there's lots of information about Kim here. She said she would have torn them out, but both of them were backing onto someone else's work, so she couldn't tear them out. and use them in the other book. So who's this? This is Marie France. Fran to her English friends. We probably never say her name right. So she has sent a nice little note. And she does lovely work. All the beige stuff, beige and black stuff. I just filmed this morning a video of a flip through of a box that she sent me, a D-stash box full of lovely things. And Shauna. I like your handwriting, Shauna. And who's this? Shauna as well. I love the bunny. I gotta do more of this stuff. It looks so whimsical. I like the clock. And then Kim did a page back here. Add stickers or doodled using the corresponding colors. And some more pages to be done. And I even like the back cover, the scrolly pattern paper and this sort of bronzy brown paper. Beautiful. So I'll be doing some videos where I do my filling up the pages I'm supposed to fill up, and then I'll do a creative page of my own in this one. So stay tuned for that. If you're interested in the traveling journal, there is someone in my group right now looking for 6 people. I don't know if she's found them or not, but there are groups dedicated to Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal. I don't think we're going to do one next year. It's been a lot. It's taken away from the other creative things that I would like to be doing this year. So I don't think I'm going to do another one next year. But when I retire, I may pick that back up and start another one up. That'll be a few years off. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.